Well, Bobby came over and leaned in and said, I've got something to say. What is it?
Yeah, so I should be talking about that run right now, but really for me, I got to call out Fox Sports. You know, all winter long we heard about the fastest motorsports on the planet. And I was a little confused because I didn't see that PPG Mustang when I saw that ad, and I didn't see that Proc car over there. And the truth is, it's an insult to our fans and to the drivers for Fox to go on TV and say the fastest motorsports in the world, and it's IndyCar? Come on now, I didn't think it was Fake News Network on Fox.